Guys, I made it to the intersection, but oh my god. It's the intersection of 313 and Stump Road. I mean, this is insanity. Look at the water pouring out. It's like a monsoon. Literally. I said my prayers. Jesus, get me back home safely. There was a tornado warning here about an hour ago. So this is the second line of storms coming through. My poor daughter lives in Berks County. They got hit twice already. What in God's name is going on? Two tornado warnings in 2 days. 2 consecutive days. This is so abnormal. I made it home, thank God. Oh my God, I'm not even going to get the mail. This is ridiculous. Let's see what's the condition is everything here. Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Looks like our lights, electricity's still on, thank God. And Rob's home. Alright. Stat News, Bucks County. Everyone be safe. Thank you.